Bingo Cash and Pool Payday both use skill-based cash tournaments, but they target completely different players. Bingo Cash is built around competitive bingo, while Pool Payday focuses on pool matches. By the end, you'll know how the two apps compare on gameplay, free play, cash tournaments, and withdrawals, so you can choose the one that fits you better. The biggest difference is simple. Bingo Cash rewards bingo performance, while Pool Payday is designed for players who can consistently win at pool. And in the end, three so same, nena nado that todi. Bingo Cash lets you play competitive bingo tournaments and offers free play options using gems. Its free roll tournament gives eligible players a way to compete without paying a cash entry fee. When you move into cash tournaments, the structure changes. Some competitions require an entry fee, and the prize depends on the specific tournament. Bingo Cash also uses different types of in-app currency, so a balance shown in the app isn't automatically the same as withdrawable cash. That means you should check the tournament screen before entering. Look at the entry cost, prize amount, and whether the funds you're using are eligible for withdrawal. Pool Payday takes a different approach. Instead of bingo cards, you play competitive pool matches. Your results depend on your performance against another player or within the specific tournament format. Pool Payday can also offer free and paid competitions, depending on the current game options and your location. If you're already good at pool, that skill can make the app more relevant than Bingo Cash. But the same rule applies. A larger advertised prize does not mean guaranteed earnings. You have to account for entry fees and your actual win rate. For withdrawals, check the current rules inside each app before depositing. Look for the minimum withdrawal amount, supported payment methods, processing time, and any restrictions that apply to your location. So which one is better? Choose Bingo Cash. If you're stronger at competitive bingo and want a bingo-focused tournament experience, choose Pool Payday if pool is your stronger game, and you want your performance to determine the tournament result. Neither app should be treated as guaranteed income. Both involve competition, and paid tournaments can result in losing the entry fee. The smartest comparison is to start with the free play options. Track your results before spending money, then compare your performance rather than choosing based only on the advertised prize pool. So the final verdict is simple. Bingo Cash wins for bingo players, Pool Payday wins for pool players, and neither has a universal payout advantage for every user. Before entering a paid tournament, verify the current entry fee, prize structure, eligibility rules, and withdrawal conditions. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money gaming comparisons.